What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of day scans, and right now I am looking at ticker symbol Immp, and we're looking at the 5-minute chart right now over the last 5 days of price history. And actually, I'm gonna pull it back a little bit, just to show you all. So overall, throughout the year, this has been a pretty flat ticker. Not too many eyes on it, not too much volume at all. However, today we had a huge amount of volume, way more than this has ever seen. And let's go back into the intraday chart. We have the 5-minute here, and we're just going to zoom up just pretty much on today's action. The rest of the days have been so flat that I'm not even bothered looking at. And I just want to highlight a couple areas of interest and a couple things to maybe keep an eye on if you're either in this trade or looking to trade this. So first things first, let's just draw up some areas of interest, and we're going to start with some resistance. Now overall, there was a couple wicks above here, but I really just want to stick with the main body of the candle. The 750 area, you can see that the main body, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, all pretty much stopped right around that 750 area. It did momentarily pop above that with these thin little wicks, and it was thinly traded up there. But let's say for the most part, 750 as an area of resistance. And then, the price did hit that and then pulled back. However, it did seem to find some support right here at the intraday level of around $5.40. Bounced off there again, bounced off, and a good amount of volume came in, bounced off that again, traveled on sideways, and then towards the end of the day, it's starting to come back down to that level. So an interesting ticker here. Now, there's a couple ways I can look at this. But the one I want to focus on is just going to be from a bullish perspective. The reason why I say I only want to look at this as a bullish perspective is, one, to me, this is a bullish chart. And two, I never recommend shorting penny stocks. I'm not saying you cannot make money on that. However, to me, it's not worth the risk. So anyways, the thing I really like about this chart right now is that after this breakout happened, the price maintained its gains, and that's a really big thing with me. You see a lot of these pumping up, especially in the penny stock world. They go up, they come down, and that is basically it. This one went up, didn't really come down. It's kind of more pulled back, and it's gone sideways, more in a consolidation fashion. And it's consolidating sideways. It actually does have another little area I want to highlight that I'm looking at a little bit more, and that's going to be right here at this 650. So these areas right now are the ones I'm going to be keeping an eye on. What I'm expecting from this price is hopefully this will stay above the 550 and above the 50 SMA, this orange line right here. And if it does stay above that and breaks above the 650, I'm actually going to start looking to take this in a bullish long trade. So I think at the break of 650 with an increased amount of volume, similar to what we had over here, I would have a nice price target of 750. And that's not where I'd take all my profits. I would actually prefer to take them, maybe 20%, maybe 30% of my position size off of the 750, and let the rest, run for future gains, taking them off in different portions, just slowly locking in gains and letting this winner run. But I do expect some pretty good bullish action from this one. And another way, actually, if you do want to take this in a little bit longer perspective, now again, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, so this is going to be a very quick trade for me. But if you're looking to take this a little bit longer, I could absolutely see you, accumulating shares right around this 550 to 650 range. Now, the good thing about this is that if you want to, you can have a tighter stop loss right below the 540 range. Just to, if anything happens, you can get out with a very minimum loss. And then it gives you a little bit more range to make some more money going up. So that's definitely another way that you could absolutely trade this, especially if you're looking at a swing trade. But right now, we closed the day at 569. It's roughly a couple minutes after 4 o'clock. But this is an exciting ticker. Definitely one I'm going to be keeping on the radar. So right now, I definitely recommend this as a buy with a first price target of 650, second of 750, and then on past that, you can shave off on portions, maybe a little bit at 8 Alright, traders, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you want to jump in the chat room with us and get live alerts, check us out at tacticaltraders.com. We can get some free access to our live 24/7 chat room. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay profitable.